This is the Collector Car Podcast, the home for the auto enthusiast. Join Greg Stanley as he applies over 25 years of insights and analytical experience to the collector car market. He will interview the experts and throw in some fun stuff as well.
Today, I'd like to welcome a special guest, Peter Boettcher. Peter, how you doing today?
Good. How are you, Greg?
Good. So this is my favorite part of the podcast. This one, you have to put your thinking cap on, okay? I think I gave you a heads up on this, so we'll see how well you do. It's a little game I called Keep, Cash, or Crush. So I pick 3 cars for you, and you have to tell me which one you want to keep forever, which one you want to cash in, and then which one you're going to send to the crusher. My goal is to make this as hard as possible on you, okay? Okay, so the first car is Dick Weiss's Carrera Speedster. So that's the first car, okay?
Oh, my God. Definitely keep. Definitely.
Oh, okay. We think we have the keep car early.
Yeah.
Okay. The second car I'll give you is James Dean's 550, the haunted, cursed 550, but restored and complete, which it doesn't exist right now. And the third car I'll give you is a 1973 RS.
Wow. Well, I would say, and probably because I'm very close to Dick and all that, his car would mean a great deal to me. I would definitely keep that.
Okay.
I would take James Dean's 550 and sell that, and probably buy a couple of Speedsters. Third one I would let go.
Okay. Let go meaning crush. Sorry, I got to make it painful. All right, so crush.
Well, there's more of them out there. So.
Right, there's more of them out there, correct. And Dick will be a guest on our Collector Car Podcast here shortly, talking about his almost 60-year ownership of that, was it 1958 or 59 Speedster?
58. And
wow.
He has a tremendous history with these cars. And in our, we're very fortunate in the Cincinnati area. He is literally a walking Porsche encyclopedia. And
right.
Whenever we have questions, we say, Dick, what does this mean? And he'll give you a half-hour spiel of what's going on.
I was fortunate to see him take off for the hill climb this past weekend, and so I got a little video of him. Yeah, I got a video of him going up the hill, so I'll post that on my Instagram as well as the Facebook page. But he won that, in 1962 with the same car?
Right, yeah. He was the Grand Marshal for the event this year, which, Kurt Niemeyer put together, and
right.
Dick was the Grand Marshal, so that was a big deal.
Yeah, so I'll have both those guys on the show in the future. So, well, thank you so much for telling us about your passion for Porsches today, Peter. We really appreciate it.
No, that's great. I appreciate your call, and, our Dreistatten group in Cincinnati, we say it's about the people and not the cars, because we've built very, very strong friendships with our members of the Dreistatten group, and I'm not sure where I'd be without those people.
Yeah, and where could our listeners learn more about that group?
DreistattenGroup.com.
Okay, cool. Well, I'll check it out, and I'll post it with this. Cool. Well, thank you so much.
I would appreciate your call.
Thanks for listening to the Collector Car Podcast. Don't forget to give us a nice rating on iTunes, and be sure to follow us on Instagram and everywhere else at the Collector Car Podcast.